beautiful weather. Today is 19 March 2026, and this is our inaugural video, sharing it with you. This is the Medhun and Barnes show. We are hobby people. We're not professional. We're getting there, right? We started with 100 yard. We go to 200 and 300 right now, and we're working our way to 1,000 yard. We both have Tikka 3Xs. He's got the Tikka 3X 6.5 Creedmoor with the Wooks furniture. Beautiful gun. We'll show it to you in a minute. And I have the new Ace Target 26-inch barrel with the Cortina adjustable muzzle brake. So,
what do you got on for a scope?
For a scope, so you have the which one? You have the Discovery
5x25 Discovery.
5x25 Discovery up, and I used to have the EP5 Arkin, but these guys couldn't help themselves. You know, you have a problem, you call them, they have no phone number, you send email, they ignore you. So finally I ditched it. I went with Discovery. I had one little problem with them. They immediately replaced my scope. So I'm running the XED, the new top of the line Discovery up, beautiful, and it's fairly good for the price for people doing it on a budget, fairly accurate. Anyway, so I'm gonna stop talking right now and start shooting. We have a 100-yard range right now, and I'm gonna zoom in a minute so you can see where we're at, and we'll share with you the results. Again, this is an educational video. We're not blowing up shit anywhere.
Safe range at our home.
In a safe range with the safe backstop that was approved by our sheriff department, and let's start having fun. Okay. Still moving, but have to get it to stop.
Yeah, I shot it moving too. I shot the gong when it was still swinging back and forth.
Okay.
So what's it look like? You good?
Looks like I got like within an inch.
I got 3.
Okay, now I'm ready.
Right. I'm going to go check the camera, right?
And back to the little gun. One more.
Okay. Let me check. No more shooting.
Okay.
Smile.